Hi, my name is Katie Bowling, and I'm one of the career advisors at Miami. I specifically work with students from the College of Education, Health, and Society, along with student athletes. Our Career Center is located in the Armstrong Student Center, downstairs from Cafe Lux, and this brief presentation will cover the topic of Handshake, the platform, not the greeting. So what is Handshake? Well, it's more than just another online job board. In fact, it can be a very powerful tool once you learn how to use it. Handshake is the platform you'll use to view and apply for jobs, RSVP for upcoming events and fairs, including career treks, and schedule career advising appointments, research employers, and connect with recruiters. The first thing you'll want to do when you first log into Handshake is to complete your career interests. We're not expecting you to have it all figured out right now, but this information will help you explore and research fields and roles that best match your interests and preferences. You can change these at any point in time as your interests grow or change. For example, your career cluster might be education, nonprofit, and human services. The industry might be social assistance or education, and the job function might be counseling. Or another example, you might have two career clusters: arts, media, communication design, and economics and data analytics. The industry you're interested in might be sports and entertainment, and the job function, data analytics. It's very simple to update your career interests. Once you're logged into Handshake, click on your name in the top right corner, then on Career Interests. There are less than 10 questions you can respond to that will help tailor the information you see on your homepage. Think of it like a Netflix account. The more you watch a certain type of show, Netflix will suggest others you may be interested in. Same thing here. After you update your career interests, Handshake brings you events, opportunities, and topics that you'll likely be interested in based on your selections. To schedule an appointment with your career advisor, from the home screen, click on Career Center, then click Appointments, then on Schedule a New Appointment. Students will see different options based on your major and career cluster that you selected in the Career Interest section. For example, this student has a major within the College of Arts and Sciences and has selected two career clusters: Management, Sales and Consulting, and Government and Law. Once you've selected the appointment type, you'll then select the appointment medium and give us a little more detail about what you'd like help with during your appointment. You can register and RSVP for upcoming events and programs using Handshake as well. Some events are available on a first-come, first-served basis, so be sure to reserve your spot. You'll notice that you can search events by a tag, label, or type of event. For example, by career cluster or by virtual session. With the fairs page, you can search which employers will be in attendance to help you prepare ahead of time. Job and Internship Search. This is where most students will spend the majority of their time. Using the Jobs tab at the top of your screen, you'll be able to use the filters to sort through thousands of opportunities from approved employers that are looking to hire Miami students. You can also favorite jobs and internships to view later and check the status of your submitted application. To complete your profile, you'll want to include the following things: a career cluster selection, work experience, organizations you're a part of, and skills, and you'll want to upload the most recent version of your resume. There's a lot of benefits that can come with this. One, it'll be easy for you to apply for jobs. By uploading your resume, you can actually build your profile faster, and it also helps employers to find you. It's also recommended that you download the Handshake app on your phone. That way you'll have quick access to opportunities and get notifications from employers and jobs you're interested in. Any questions can be directed to our phone number, 513-529-3831, our email, careercenter@miamioh.edu, or you can check out our website, miamioh.edu/careers, and you can always contact your specific career advisor. Thank you.